Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. This particular video is aimed and geared towards other attorneys. So if you're not an attorney with an immigration case that just walked in your door and you don't need help as an attorney, you're not going to find this particular video very interesting. But I'm doing this video in order to explain one of the services that I provide. Now, as you might have seen, I am a certified specialist in immigration and nationality law. I do have nearly a quarter century of experience in immigration law, and I have essentially done it all. From the investment visas, E2, L1, EB5, to consulate processing, waivers, appeals to the Board of Immigration Appeals, petitions for review, federal court actions, writ of mandamus, to going to the naturalization interviews, adjustment interviews, the whole plethora of citizenship, issues, derivative citizenship, acquisition of citizenship, naturalization issues, criminal relief, and on and on. So I'm not here to essentially give you my resume of what I've done. I'm giving this particular video to let you know the service that I've been offering for some time in order to help attorneys who are newer to the field, even ones that are not newer to the field, but they've had a case drop in their office and they've taken it, and now they realize that it's a bit more complicated than they had originally anticipated. And so there's a couple things. First, I will schedule after we enter into the agreement an hour-long, basically little seminar on your case. We will go over all the facts of your case, and then I will let you know essentially what needs to be done, what procedures are used, what are the pitfalls, what are the issues that might arise. There's so much in immigration law, and it is changing all the time, that you do not want to take a case where it's very possible you might miss something, you might not do anything correctly or do something correctly. And I'm not telling you that after an hour with me you're going to be an expert and guarantee to do it correctly, but you're certainly going to be on the right path. Okay, you certainly are going to understand and know the issues in that particular case and what you need to look for. And the last thing that you want is to have something done which later, when the client finds out you didn't do it right, there might be various complaints that go to various organizations. It's going to be a nightmare for you. So the hour that you take with me in order to go over the case, to understand the law, the the ramifications on other areas of immigration law, to understand the issues, not just with this case that's right in front of you, but the broader issues that may be implicated by the case. You essentially will walk away with a much better feeling and a much greater knowledge of what needs to be done. And the nice thing about this particular service I offer is that it's really geared towards your particular case. So for example, let's just say you have an H-1B case that came in, and there's issues regarding the degree, possibly unlawful presence, maybe the 6-year issue, the portability factors, working spouses, H-4, perm compliance, all kinds of stuff that might come up. Well, if you were to watch, for example, a video or go to a seminar in an H-1B, yes, that would be great, and you would probably learn a lot, but that's different than having a specified hour with you on the H-1B on your case. The issues as they pop up on your case as implicated or intertwined with the H-1B regulation give a special um, value, essentially, to having this particular one-on-one. And it doesn't matter where you are, just like you're watching me now. I schedule the conference, and it's done, again, at a specified time, which we would both agree to, and then we go from there, and hopefully I am able to pass on some knowledge to other attorneys across the U.S., little by little, piece by piece, to make the practice of immigration law a little easier, a little more clear, and to give you a little peace of mind that you're heading in the right direction. So if you would like the one-on-one, go ahead and give my office a call. They'll let you know what needs to be done to set it up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, more on the coming videos. Thank you.